welcome back to Non-Stop Craziness. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY scratch out cards. So the things you're going to be needing are hard cardstock paper. If you don't have hard cardstock paper like me, you can just stick 2-3 sheets of paper together and make one. The next thing you're going to be needing are sponge and a brush. If you can't paint with a brush, you can use a sponge. Next, you're going to need acrylic paint mixed with a little bit of dishwash soap. If you can't use dishwash soap, then you can also use clear shower gel. And last thing are some oil pastels. So friends, let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your oil pastels and you're going to create a random but a beautiful design on your sheet. So this design I'm going to be going for is rainbow stripes. You can create any design like this, but if you don't want to go freehand and actually want to create a picture on the paper, then you can take a pencil and draw the design with a pencil. Scratch art sheet is done. The best options to scratch your sheet are toothpicks or any other sharp object. Let's scratch. The soap in the paint makes it look